Hey guys, how you doing? Listen, there's another one came up market today, the new condo, which is it's a resale condo. It's called Society. Basically, it's on London, Ontario, and you get its prices starting under 400. It's a very big units, and also you get a free 3 years rent guarantee, and also 3 years of free maintenance free, and also you get furnitures. It's like basically it's furnished, like even TV and everything is there for you. Basically, you just go and live in it, or you can rent it out and you make really good money on it. For the investment purpose, you'll make about close to 37% in return. 37% return you get because it's a resale that you don't have, there is no cap on it, and also land transfer is very less, and also it's closing in 60 to 90 days, plus you put a 20,000 down and you can get a place. So it's very good investment in London, Ontario, close to Western University. It's a very good location, and also for investment wise, you get a very good return on it. So give me a call. I'll give you more details on it, or message me 416 803 0950.